Hi, this is Mrs. Mendy, and I'm going to go over in a little bit more detail how to read chemical formulas because I think I really wasn't clear enough before. Okay, so I'm going to go through again before you practice this. Okay, so the numbers in a chemical formula that are kind of dropped down like that means how many atoms there are of that element. Okay, remember the letters mean what element it is, and the numbers mean how many atoms of that element. So, just to be clearer, the little numbers go with the element before it. Okay, there's a reason for why we do it that way um, that I'll talk about later. I don't want to explain everything at once. But just know that this letter here goes before. So this means 6 C's. So those are carbons. This 12 here goes with this H before. So that means 12 H's or hydrogens. And then the 6 goes with the O before it. So that means 6 oxygens. Okay? So it goes with the thing before. Now I also wasn't really happy when I looked at it again about how I explained this. So I'm going to try this again and see if this makes it easier. Okay, so some groups of atoms repeat in a molecule sometimes, so the group goes in parentheses. Okay, so this 2 on the outside means 2 of everything inside the parentheses and only inside the parentheses. Okay, and so it's kind of like multiplication. I'm going to walk through that a little bit now. So I'm color coding this hopefully to make it clearer. Okay, so here's your parentheses. We're going to ignore this Ca for right now, this calcium. Okay, so we're just looking inside the parentheses. So first, we have to figure out what's inside the parentheses. Okay, so first, this right here, how many N's is this? Well, that's one N. There's no number here, so that means one N. If there's no number, it means one. And then over here, this, remember, as you're going through, each new capital letter means a new element that we're talking about. Okay? So how many O's do we have? We have two O's because this 2 goes with this O. So that's two O's. So this is all inside the parentheses. There's one N and two O's inside the parentheses, okay? But this 2 here means everything inside the parentheses gets multiplied by 2. So let's do that. So there's the 2. And first we're going to take this over here and multiply this n by 2. That's what this is saying. 1n inside, 1n inside times this 2 on the outside gives you 2 n's. All right, now let's do it with the O's. So if we have two O's inside, multiply them by 2, and you get 4 O's. Okay, so in this molecule, there's one C. I didn't write anything about that because that's just simple. There's no letter, no number here. So just one Ca, two N's, and 4 O's. Okay, I hope that's a little bit clearer and that makes it better for you. See you next time.